Hello. So, my name is Alejandro Ruiz Tejada, and this is my portfolio. First of all, to graph a function in GeoGebra, we need to, write the function. In this case, it will be a quadratic function, and it will be this one. Okay. Sorry. Plus 4. Like that. Okay. So, first of all, we will try. We will show the label of the function. So here, what we need to do is name and value, and there's the label of the function. Okay. After this, I want to get the x-axis. In this case, it is -2, since the x in the vertex is -2, okay? So we will put x equals -2. Then, to recognize this, we'll put it of a different color, for example pink, and the style will be dot. Okay? And this will be the x-axis. Wait, let's see. Settings, and we will put axis of symmetry, okay? This is the axis of symmetry. So after this, I want to get the y-intercept. Well, to mark it, okay? So we click the intercept tool, we click the point, then we go to settings, and here we can put it y-intercept. Sorry, this will be y-intercept. Okay, and we'll show the name and value. Okay. After that, I want to have both the two solutions for the function or the x-intercept, okay? So, for that, we'll need to click the settings, and we'll put this x1, okay, and this will be, and we will show the value. Here is our x1, and here we'll put our x2, and we'll show also the value. Okay, so now we have both x-intercepts and the y-intercept. After this, what I want to have, what I want to state is whether the solution opens upward or downward. So I click at text, and I can say opens upward. It opens upward since the A term is positive, okay? Then after that, we can say that the domain is -infinite to infinite, and that the range is from -6 to infinite. Okay? The range is from -6 to infinite since the vertex equals, in the vertex y is -6, and we can see that it doesn't go more than -6, it only goes upwards. Okay? And if we want to make this even more clear, we can tell that x is equal to 0 to mark which is the y-intercept, or y is equal to 0 to mark the x-intercept, okay? And here we will put the color in whole green, why not? And a more darker green, okay? And so the x-intercept is -2, and the the y-intercept is 0, minus 2. The x-intercept is 0.45, 0, or minus 4.45, 0. Okay, so this will be it. This is how you graph a quadratic equation with labels, with points, and with text. Okay, thank you and thanks for watching.